Good morning, Bulldogs, and happy Friday. The following is a quick tutorial on how to encrypt an email. Sullivan West currently has two ways to encrypt emails, one using the Office 365 online client, or the other way is to use our email filtering platform, which is called Barracuda. Okay, the first way to do so that we're going to cover in this tutorial is by using the online Office 365. You can get there by outlook.office365.com, or you can access this via your ClassLink portal, and you click on your Office 365 and go access Outlook from there. Okay, so the first way to do this is just to click on New Message. You'll notice that there is an Encrypt button that you just can simply click. Okay, in order to verify you've done so, you'll see this little message. Okay, type your email the regular way you would. You can include attachments. And what's going to happen is the recipient's going to receive this email that says they've received an encrypted message from you. That's going to then require that they provide credentials to access this email. Okay. The other way to encrypt a message is if you're using your 2016 Microsoft Outlook client that's on all of our desktops. Okay, they don't have that option embedded just yet, but they are working on it. So the other way we do this is by using our Barracuda email filtering. Very, very simple. In the subject line, you're going to type in all capital letters encrypt with a colon behind it. Okay, just that word alone is going to wind up encrypting, and you'll see that again, you're going to type your email the regular way you would, and it's basically going to happen the same way as the other encryption, in that the recipient's going to receive the message. Okay, it's going to require them to provide credentials, and we know exactly who was accessing that email. So again, this is very, very critical for student information and protecting student information. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to give me an email, and I'm happy to respond. Thank you, and have a great weekend.